everyone, welcome back. So today we are doing a Gigi Hadid inspired makeup tutorial. Lots of people actually requested a Gigi Hadid inspired look, so I decided to film it today, and I will try to recreate one of her looks from the Gigi Hadid and Maybelline collaboration that she launched not so long ago. So I hope you will enjoy this one, and let's get started. As the first thing, I will apply my HairBurst. This is Lash and Brow Enhancer. It's basically like a growing serum for your brows and for your eyelashes. And I usually like to apply this only at night after my skincare routine, but also before I apply makeup. I do have a very sensitive lash area on my eyelids, so I like to apply this before, you know, any hardcore makeup, gel liner, liquid liner, or cream shadows, or maybe pigments, because basically my lash line will not get so irritated. Today I'm starting with my eyes, and I will use my Pony Effect Pro Fit Liquid Concealer, and I like to apply this just on my eyelids as a base before I apply, you know, any other products on my eyelids. I don't apply too much, and then blend it with my Anjou blending brush, angled blending brush. Then moving on, I'm taking my Baked Browns palette from Dose of Colors, and I will be using Tea Light, which is this gorgeous ivory matte shade. It's really lovely for the brow bone as a brow bone highlighter. Matte highlighter. I'm using my soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I will use this shade called Dusty Rose and my Zoeva 228 brush, and I will just define the crease with this. Gigi has a very mauvey mid-tone shade in her crease. Blend it really well, so I will try to do the same. Now going back with my Tea Light shade from the Dose of Colors palette with the same hot called the G5523 brush. I will try to just blend any harsh lines in here, just smooth everything. And now the line, I will use my One Day Tatoo liquid eyeliner. This is a Japanese makeup brand, and as usual I'm starting with the tail and then connecting this with my eyelid, and then I'm filling in this portion. And now I'm doing this part, and then I will just connect the two. Okay guys, so I finished my brows as well. I did a bit of a graphic brow, and I used my Archery Brow Tint and Precision Shaping Pencil. Looks like this. I'm cleaning this line with just a little bit of concealer, so it's super sharp. Okay, a little bit of mascara. I'm using my Bourjois Push Up Volume Glamour mascara, which is very black. And it's quite nice, but it's not the best mascara I've ever tried. It gets quite clumpy if you apply too much. Moving on to foundation, I will use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte mixed with 16 brand foundation. This is from Chosunga 22, it's a Korean brand, and mixed with a little bit of my iconic London illuminator. I really like to mix this with my foundations because it gives me that glow within kind of look. Applying a little bit all over and then blending this with my beauty blender. And going back to an old favorite, the ink corrector from Peripera. This is in peach, and it just brightens my under eyes, and I love it. And on top, my Pro Fit concealer from Pony Effect. This is, by the way, in the color Fair, which is quite light, but it's good because it brightens everything. And I'm all about that brightening effect. Now using a little bit of my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm applying just a little bit in here and then just all over. For contour, I will use my Senna Cosmetics 90s Nude Revolution palette and this Raw Umber shade, and I will try to do a little bit of sculpting. I actually hit pan on this palette too, so yeah, I love this sculpting shade. It's perfect. And as a bronzer, I will use this one from my Pony Effect Marvelous face palette with this big Japanese brush. As a blush, I think the most perfect one in this case will be my Matte Touch blush from Essence. This is in Rose Me Up, which is not rosy at all. It's more like a peachy brown with a bit of rose, like a hint of rose. But it's very neutral, so I think this will be just perfect. And I'm using this big powder brush from Anju. And I will just buff this. Highlighter, Fenty Beauty, Mean Money and Hustler Baby. I'm mixing these two together. And bam. Now I will use the same Dusty Rose shade on my bottom eyelid to add just a little bit of definition, but not as strong as in the crease. A mascara. And then I will just pop false lashes. And as a lip pencil, I will be actually using this Gigi Hadid and Maybelline collaboration lip pencil. This is called Erin, and I will just line my lips with this. And fill them in, just mute it down a little bit. Because I believe she's wearing actually the other nudie color, not this one, not Erin. So I'm trying to make it lighter.